Hi, in front of me is REALME C15 and today I want to show you how you can protect your apps with password. Open Settings, scroll down and click Face and Password. Now set Privacy Password and choose one of the methods. I will go with pattern, so I have to draw it and after that confirm it. You have to answer one of security questions and you can also add an email. When you're done, click Done. Now it's time to choose App Lock and select apps that you want it to be locked. I will go with the sphere, so I have to click Lock Sphere. And when I try open one of them, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!